Introducing Little T and KP. You threw me into the garbage truck.
You threw me into the garbage truck. Doop, 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 doop.
I know you don't
into the
like
garbage
me
truck.
'cause you don't care in my family.
You
So
dumped me
okay,
into the
'cause I
garbage
care.
truck.
I'm with the she okay for me.
Yeah,
So
you
she
dumped
don't
me
care
into
'cause
the
I'm
garbage
so
truck.
she don't care in my
You
You
dumped
look
me
so
into the
fat.
garbage
She
truck.
don't care in my too fat.
Zuri, why would you do that? You can't even do this to me. You should be glad I'm not your boyfriend. I can say you're with me. You dumped me into the garbage truck.
You don't care 'cause everything.
You
I
dumped me
don't care
into
'cause
the garbage
you
truck.
don't care 'cause you got fair. So
You
I
dumped
don't
me
care
into
into
the
the
garbage
garbage
truck.
truck. She don't
You
care in my left and she don't care
dumped me
'cause I
into the
got
garbage
money
truck.
in my head.
Yeah.
Your turn.
You can't mess with me. I'm Stuart, little Stuart. I can see I want to be. Nobody can see me. Jesse can't even see me. Zuri doesn't like me. I should be me. You jumped me into the garbage truck.
Yeah, she don't care.
The garbage truck. You
She
need
don't care.
to get to the garbage truck. You need to get to the garbage truck. Hey, Stuart, you need to get to the garbage truck. You
You make me a little fist 'cause she don't care like
in
me.
the garbage
And
truck.
she don't care 'cause I got money in my head. Bye.
Bye.